Have you been wearing the same outfit for the last 6 months? That same jacket and jean combo getting a bit old? Well, here are some outfit inspo ideas to snap you out of that rut. Okay, so let's reboot our style with clothes that we may already own. Step 1. Find a tee. Because the easiest way to spice up an outfit is to indeed add something bland. Now I just add a plain white tee because I think it looks great under everything and really reinforces that 90s look that I like to pull off. Then you simply just have to add a few cute accessories like sunglasses, a cute bag, and obviously some badass shoes to complete the look. Because honestly, when I try on an outfit in my bedroom, usually I don't feel cool at all until I put on some shoes. And somehow it turns any basic outfit into the coolest outfit I've ever put on. Slip dresses like these are a staple for me because you can style them so simply, or you could dress them up for any occasion. I personally love them because they're easy to slap on for work if I don't know what to wear, and bonus points, I can comfortably sit in them for 8 hours at my desk. Now, adding a bucket hat is optional. I'm just fully obsessed with this. It is also the reason that I plait my hair every day because I want the ability to slap on a hat if I need to go for a walk. Now, I don't know what's come over me in the last month or so, but I have been obsessed with blue. I'm never consciously shopping for blue items, but for some reason this whole video is full of blue things. So please insert your color of choice here. You can in fact use these outfit formulas on something other than blue checkered material. But as you can see here, the same concept works with the white t-shirt, cool shoes, cool accessories, and slap a dress on top. Now, I'm not much of a bag girly, so I generally opt for a little bag like this, which kind of works as an extra pocket. So this is a little one I've customized, and I feel like extra details like this really add to an outfit and gives a sense of your personality. And turns out part of my personality is just adding a hat to an outfit. I guess sun safety is on my mind constantly, or I'm just trying to add as many accessories as possible. Here is just another example of another blue dress to show you my blue dress collection. Wow, another blue dress. Because I've somehow convinced myself all these dresses are not the same. And honestly, they're also versatile. A dress doesn't simply just stop at just wearing the dress. You can add different layers like this denim vest and the t-shirt to add more dimension to the look. I mean, each time you wear the dress, you could change it up with different bags, different shoes, sunglasses, hats. You don't have to wear it the same way each time, which is what I should tell myself when I wear the same outfit every single day. So don't rule out all the options that you could have in your wardrobe that could spice up the look. And in my mind, if in doubt, layer it out. It'll give you the perfect 90s look, if that's what you're going for. Alright, let's now jump into skirts. Now, it's still simply quite cute just with the white t-shirt, but if you like a little bit of dopamine dressing, maximalism, and just some pure joy to your life, you can again layer it up, which is essentially wearing versus styling. You're probably thinking I'm just cheating here because my skirt actually matches my top. It's like a set, but I don't think you could go wrong with any other colored blouse and skirt combo. Now, I'd like to remind you, we are still under the chapter of white t-shirt. I only recently added this t-shirt to my wardrobe, and it seems to have completely transformed my whole style. You may also notice that I have a few other key items that seem to be essential in my wardrobe. The denim waistcoat, the yellow cardigan, or even my blue cap seem to blend well with practically any outfit, which is a good thing to think about whenever you're buying a new item for your wardrobe. Can you wear that piece multiple ways? And in my case, I turn that into a challenge and wear it every which way possible. So for this one, I've added my brown jacket and brown boots to essentially make this summery outfit more winterfied, because in my opinion, items aren't just reserved for different seasons. Okay, here we go again with the jacket and the jeans, which I really just lived in all winter. The difference here being that I've actually styled it to get out of that rut. So if dresses and skirts aren't really your thing, just replace those same outfits with a pair of jeans. I've opted for these really baggy blue jeans, because in my opinion, the bigger the better because I'm more comfortable, again, for sitting at my desk all day. But you can add whatever jeans fits your style. Alright, let's take it down a notch. We'll lose the white t-shirt, you get the idea. When I'm stuck on styling an outfit, I feel like the go-to method is just jeans and a cute blouse. It's honestly just so simple and effective. But to make it look like you put some thought into it, maybe stick to a color scheme, which gives the illusion of a more thought out outfit, even if you're running out the door with 5 minutes to get ready. Alright, time to get experimental. We're going dresses over jeans, which was probably popularized in the 90s or early 2000s, but here we are again in 2025, trying to work out if this is a look. Now I've gone with this, yes, it's another blue dress, but it's a short one and it kind of gives the illusion of just like a long cute blouse. I kind of love the whole concept because I love when tops and jackets cover my butt. I guess I'd have a slight insecurity about it. So the dress not only covers the butt, it also gives the illusion of fashion. And my hack to make this wearable is again to add a lot of layers. And then everything kind of looks intentional. You have now entered my fashion show montage of trying to work out if my dresses look good with jeans. Now pals, does this work? I kind of hope so because I have already worn this out and about. Next I tried this button-up dress. I think the length kind of works with it, but I'm not sure if I'm convinced it works with the jeans. But I think by opening it up and wearing it more as like a cardigan dress, it seems to work a little better. Again, I tried to play with the different layering styles and I'm not sure if I'm convinced. Next up was this little poofy number, which again, I feel like short dresses maybe work a little better with the jeans and dress combo. And I think what I like about it is purely just the silhouette. And I also can't decide if I like the jeans fully down or rolled up again. What do you think? Now I think jeans and dresses are a good solution for any dresses that are kind of too short for you. This one I haven't worn in a while because I feel like it's just way too short at the back, but I'm in love with the whole top of the dress. It could honestly be turned into a shirt if I sewed it up. And I thought I'd also try it out with black pants instead because I wasn't so sure in the jeans. And I think it matches the background of the dress a little better. Then I tried this all black number and I love the silhouette of this dress. And I think that the black pants kind of accentuates that. And honestly, I can't believe I randomly thrifted this dress. It's literally everything that I've been loving at the moment and reminds me of brands like Dance and Matter. The only thing I don't like about the dress is sometimes the length isn't right for me when I forget to shave my legs. So as an alternate to styling dresses over pants, you can also style dresses over skirts, which is probably more my style. So for this I've matched a black long skirt underneath this dress. And I love the layered silhouette that we can see with the two items. But if you don't like the layered look and you just honestly love the top of a dress, a fun idea is to tuck it into the maxi skirt and turn it into a maxi dress. Which as you can see here works very well because both items are both black. And the bow details, as well as like the cinched waist look, kind of gives the illusion that they're the same dress. I was also super excited when I thrifted the skirt because honestly, it's the skirt of my dreams. And I think it's gonna fit me for the rest of my life because it has such an adjustable waist. Now I thought I'd move on from easy mode and try this dress again. It definitely looks more like a dress over a skirt, but again, the black background makes it more cohesive with the skirt. And I've said this before, but I'll say it again. Adding accessories and cool shoes really helps you like commit to the bit and make people realize that this is a fit. Again, if this isn't your style, you can just do the old tuckaroo and put the dress inside the skirt again. And it's just a good way to utilize your dresses as cute tops. Now you probably think I'm cheating on this one because technically I am wearing a dress and a skirt. They're in the same fabric, but I truly believe you could wear any gingham dress and any gingham skirt to make this work. It gives a cute patchwork kind of look. But you know me, I'm baited anytime I see blue gingham, I guess. So I did buy this in a skirt and a dress. And I like the fact that I can wear them together to make
a mega dress.
Again, you can wear the dress out, you can wear the dress tucked in, whatever way you want to wear it. It's gonna look cute. Now, even though I don't have that many tricks up my sleeve and I am just redoing the same tips over and over again, it just goes to show that you don't need that many items in your wardrobe to have multiple possibilities. Now, if these ideas are getting a little bit wild, let's tone it down a bit. When I'm stuck on building an outfit, you can just go for a cute skirt and a cute top. If you haven't already gathered, I love like a midi to maxi skirt with a tiny top. Only because it's the most comfortable for me, but use what is the most comfortable for you. Also, if you feel like you've run out of tops, like you can't simply make any more outfits, then I present to you swimwear. I honestly barely go swimming, so I need to utilize my swimsuit somehow, and I love using my one pieces as a bodysuit. And it's good for those like warmer summer days, or what I usually do is wear it to a music festival because it feels freeing to dance in. It doesn't matter if you get wet, if it's raining. And I know what you're thinking, how the hell are you supposed to pee in something like that though? Well, as a seasoned festival professional, and this may be TMI, but I've just recently realized you can just pull the like bottom piece to the side to pee. So that's the hack. And then you don't have to take off the whole outfit just to pee. So yeah, that's a weird note to end the video on, but thanks for watching all the way through. Hopefully this gave you some ideas to brainstorm different ways of wearing outfits. It really helped with my creativity while I've been in this outfit styling rut, and now I'm really excited to try on some new combinations. But anyways, my name has been Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I hopefully will be making a lot more videos soon. I'm getting very inspired. You can find me on Instagram at @in_the_wonderyears or on TikTok. I might start making some more TikToks, maybe. Maybe I'm piling on too many things on my to-do list, but I just want to create. Anyways, until next time, keep wandering.